I just want to show you guys these birds. I think they're lovebirds, or they're like some kind of parrots. I can't remember. But they're green, they have green backs, and they have like red under their, well, it's like red and purple and yellow. And there's 4 of them, and they're just sitting there, and they're like talking to each other. And they'll like walk up next to each other, like nuzzle each other. But you can like, I think you can buy them at PetSmart in the States. But I'm sitting here on my patio, eating breakfast, eating an orange, and I'm watching these beautiful birds. It's really cool. Alright, those are the birds. I'll try to find a like Google picture or something so that you'll know what I'm talking about. But there's also cockatoos that fly around here, like big white cockatoos, and they just are wild. It's really cool. Okay.